Welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we embrace the wisdom of nature to grow stronger, healthier kitchen gardens. Today's topic may shock some of you. Don't till your soil. That's right. I'm telling you to put down the shovel and step away from the rototiller, because what happens when you stop tilling may just transform your garden forever. For generations, tilling has been considered the standard way to prepare soil. You break it up, mix in compost or fertilizer, and clear out the weeds. But what if I told you that tilling is actually harming your garden more than helping it? When you till the soil, you're not just loosening dirt, you're disrupting the natural ecosystem that lives beneath your feet. Healthy soil is alive. It's full of microbes, fungi, earthworms, and beneficial insects. These organisms create channels for air and water, decompose organic matter, and deliver nutrients directly to plant roots. But tilling destroys their delicate networks, exposing them to sunlight and oxygen, killing them off, and causing compaction over time. One of the biggest impacts of not tilling is that your soil structure improves dramatically. Instead of becoming a loose, fluffy mess that compacts after every rain, no-till soil becomes rich, layered, and stable. Organic matter builds up naturally. Worms and microbes work the soil for you. Roots grow deeper and stronger because they're following the natural cracks made by worms and fungi. Another huge benefit: moisture retention. Tilled soil dries out faster, leading to more watering, but no-till soil holds onto moisture like a sponge. I've personally gone days longer between waterings in my no-till beds, especially during hot weather. And then there's weed control. Yes, not tilling can actually lead to fewer weeds. When you till, you bring buried weed seeds to the surface, where they get sunlight and sprout like crazy. With no-till gardening, you disturb the soil as little as possible, leaving those seeds buried and dormant. Add a layer of mulch, and you'll reduce weed pressure even more. The best part? Your garden becomes more self-sustaining over time. Plants become more resilient. Pest and disease problems go down. And your soil becomes richer every season without any backbreaking effort. To get started, you don't need anything fancy. Simply layer compost, mulch, or aged manure right on top of your existing soil. Plant directly into it, and let nature take over. Over time, you'll notice the soil getting darker, looser, and more fertile. I know this goes against what many of us were taught, but the results speak for themselves. Healthier soil, bigger harvests, less work, more life. So if you're tired of fighting with your garden, maybe it's time to stop tilling and start trusting nature. If this video opened your eyes to something new, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gentle Herb Living for more natural garden wisdom. Have you tried no-till gardening? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep growing naturally.